Good morning, children. Today we will discuss what are endocrine glands and what are exocrine glands. Exocrine glands you don't have to that much go in deep, but endocrine glands you have to. So let us see the difference. In endocrine glands, ducts are absent, but in exocrine, ducts are present. So then they secrete hormones in endocrine glands, okay, and they are secreted in blood and situated away from the site of action. And if you see the exocrine, it is all just opposite. Just I said you before, ducts are present, secretes enzyme, secreted in ducts of glands, situated near the site of action. Site of action means where it is supposed to go, where the target organs are. Okay, then here is the textual diagrams which you have to practice. You can look, we'll see from the top: pineal gland, hypothalamus, pituitary gland, thyroid gland, parathyroid gland, thymus, pancreas, adrenal, testis. In females case it is ovary. So children, study this diagram. Okay, now we'll go one by one. See, pituitary gland. Actually, the hormone secreted by pituitary gland is the growth hormone. The body development, bones, muscles. Then, if a child is becoming too big, excess growth is present, it's called gigantism, and if it is too short, it's called dwarfism. Then the thyroid gland. It secretes the hormone thyroxine and regulates the carbohydrate, protein, and fat metabolism, and also it prevents goiter to happen. Goiter is the swelling in your neck. Then pancreas. Pancreas, you all know that it regulates the blood sugar level and it produces the hormone insulin. Okay. Then testis. Testis is present in males. It produces the hormone testosterone and it helps to develop the secondary sexual characters in man or male, which you have studied in 8th standard E1. And in the upcoming lesson, we are going to discuss that in a little bit detail. Then ovaries in female. It is produced in female. Okay. It produces estrogen. It also helps in development of secondary sexual character in female. Now, let us see what is the thymus gland. Thymus gland is a small organ behind the breastbone. Okay, that plays an important function both in immune system and in endocrine system. The main function of thymus is to create immunity, okay, immune system, to make stronger immune system. Okay, then as the thymus gland grows, as it grows, the thymus gland, the thymus begins to decay, as you can tell during the puberty. And just go through the slide once. Okay, then comes parathyroid gland. Parathyroid gland are 4 small glands which are seen in endocrine system. It regulates the calcium in your body. That is, they are the glands just located in the neck behind the thyroid, where the continuous monitor of regulating blood calcium level is done. Then pineal gland. Actually, pineal gland is a small gland, pea-shaped gland in the brain. It regulates a sleeping pattern. As our sir used to tell, suppose you're going for a tour, you generally wake up much more early and be ready for that. So without the alarm of the clock, you just wake up early and do. So melatonin is the thing that present. It plays a major role in sleeping patterns. That is pineal gland. Then hypothalamus. Hypothalamus is a small region of the brain. It is located on the base of the brain, okay, near the pituitary gland. Actually, it regulates the body temperature and even it helps in releasing the hormone. Then adrenal gland. Adrenal gland produces hormone that help to regulate your metabolism, immune system, blood pressure, response to stress, and other essential function. Actually, if you ask which is the main function, then we can say that it gives out the hormone adrenaline, and this gland is located just above our kidney. Suppose I'll explain. I think I have told in 8th standard even to you. That is, suppose a dog is running behind you. The courage either to fight with it, withstand and fight with it, or to run away. So that courage and everything is done by the secretion of adrenaline by adrenal gland. Now, so that's about the coordination, or what you call that, the hormones, endocrine and all, by animals. So now we are going to start with how the coordination is done in plants. In plants, the coordination is done by chemical substance called phytohormones. Underline, children, phytohormones. Actually, there are 5 main type of phytohormones: auxins, gibberellins, cytokinins, abscisic acid, and ethylene. Remember the names: auxins, gibberellin, cytokinin, abscisic acid, and ethylene. Let us see the function. What are they up to? Auxins helps in cell division, cell elongation, and growth. Gibberellins helps in growth of stem and branches. Cytokinins helps in cell division, formation of fruits and seeds. Abscisic acid inhibits the growth and affects the wilting of leaves. Ethylene helps in flowering and ripening of fruits. Okay, suppose on these type of things, generally the board we can expect a question from the board like, suppose what we can say, a name. Okay, name is Muhammad. Muhammad brought some raw fruits from the market. He kept in his house and allowed it to ripen. Now the question: which chemical is responsible for ripening those fruits? What is the children answer? The answer is ethylene. So like this, on this basis, the questions can be asked. Okay, so I would like you all to copy. Each and every child should copy this to your notebook, because it's very important. Okay, many of the details are not that much detail in the textbook, but I have condensed it and put up in the slide. So I request and I expect you all to write this in the notebook. Okay, now one more simple and last topic is left, that is the movement in plants, that we will discuss in the next class. Okay, children, so I hope you all will do this in the notebook. Copy down this notebook and do the worksheet which I am going to attach with this video. Thank you.